electric order picker which is exhibited at Indra Logistics and Exhibition 2024 by Jugan Rich. This exhibition is organized by Future Market Events.
Junghanish is just about completing 12 years in India. Over the last 12 years, the Indian market for material handling equipment has been seeing from what we called a steady growth to post-COVID almost an exponential growth, and we are happy that we are part of that growth story in India. And right from the very small MHEs all the way up to the semi-automatic VNA trucks, we're there in all of that, and now moving ahead, now we are also into racking systems, going ahead also into automation. So happy to be part of this growth story of this segment in India.
We are a 20 years old company. We started with the automations like Maruti Suzuki and our rest of Tata, BMW and like that. So we went in intralogistics in 2019, and now we are taking care with the warehouse automations like Amazon, Flipkarts and many more companies who is dealing with the intralogistics solutions. So here in Pune we are showing our new technologies like the linear sorter, which is totally manufactured in-house, the Make in India, the deep pallet shuttle and the Savva ASRS. Also we are having a joint venture with the French company. So it is a kind of technology which is mainly prepared for the high throughput solutions like 8,000 to 14,000 per hour, and same we are deploying our deep pallet shuttle which can be lift up 1.5 ton within 2 meter per second speed. So here we are showcasing our the efficient and high productive solutions.
I am proud to be a part of Gandhi Automation team. I believe everybody who is visiting this exhibition should come and see, experience for themselves India's #1 entrance automation and loading bay products exclusively here, showcasing the best of the quality, and yes, for future you can have the best of the services too.
As a Nilkamal, just we are having the products like material handling equipments, pallets, then storage system also we are having. So the audience or the peoples we are expecting from the different locations, different industries, and now the Pune is diversifying with the other companies also, like it's not now automotive, the food processing unit and all these things. So we are expecting a good footfall from the customers. So our focus is majorly for the racking and MHE, where we are having a strong business from last few years. We are having n numbers of machines over here, n numbers of solution in storage solutions also here.
Whenever Future Market Events organize an expo, they do some amazing thing. They completely change the look of Auto Cluster, and this is the second time I am attending their exhibition, and we are proud at Machine Maker to be part of their shows.